हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का टॉपिक है मई जून जुलाई की इम्पोर्टेंट अपॉइंटमेंट्स जो एग्ज़ाम में पूछा जा सकता है। वीडियो को एंड तक देखना सो दैट आपकी रिवीजन अच्छे से हो पाएगा। और वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर देना। PDF पाने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कर देना। चलो शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन, हु रिसेंटली टुक चार्ज एज चीफ ऑफ IAF ट्रेनिंग कमांड? आंसर बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, तेजिंदर सिंह। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आशुतोष दीक्षित हैज एज्यूम्ड चार्ज एज द चीफ ऑफ व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? आंसर सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, इंटीग्रेटेड डिफेंस स्टाफ CISC। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who has been appointed as the additional director general of military nursing service MNS? Option B is the correct answer, Lisoma PV। Next question, who recently retired as the vice chief of the air staff? Answer A is the correct answer, SB Dharkar। Next, who is slated to take charge as the vice chief of air staff? Option B is the correct answer, N Tiwari। Next question, who has been appointed as NALSA executive chairman? Option A is the correct answer, Justice Surjakant। Next question, who took charge as the 52 Chief Justice of India? Answer B is the correct answer, Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai। Next question, former Defense Secretary Ajay Kumar has been appointed to which organization? Option B is the correct answer, UPSC। Next question, who is the World Bank Executive Director representing India at the IMF board? B is the correct answer, Parameswaran Iyer। Next question, who is the current director of CBI? Answer A is the correct answer, Praveen Sood। Next question, who was sworn in as Telangana Chief Information Commissioner? Answer B is the correct answer, Chandrasekhar Reddy। Next, who has been appointed as India's ambassador to Sweden? Answer option A, Anurag Bhushan। Next question, who took charge as the chairman of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? Answer B, Harbus Chawla। Next question, who has been appointed as CEO of India Semiconductor Mission? Option A, Amitesh Kumar Sinha। Who assumed charge as the Chief Electoral Officer of Bihar? Option B, Vinod Kumar Gunjial। DY Chandrachud has joined which university as a distinguished professor? Option A, Option C, National Law University Delhi। Next question, who has been appointed as the new MD of National Film Development Corporation? Option A, Prakash Magdam। Next, who is stepping down as CEO of Berkshire? Option B, Warren Buffett। Who is the chief of the Intelligence Bureau who received a 1-year extension? Option B. Tapan Kumar Deka. Who has been appointed as Chief Justice of Manipur High Court? Option A. Justice K. Somsekhar. Who has been elected as the Supreme Court Bar Association President for the 4th time? Option B. Vikas Singh is the correct answer. Who is the chairman of DRDO? Option A. Samir V. Kamath. Next. Which of the following judges was not appointed to the Supreme Court? Option D. Samir V. Kamath. Who has been appointed as chairman of Indigo? Option A. Bikram Singh Mehta appointed as chairman of Indigo. Who has been appointed as ambassador of the Forest Department? Option B. Anil Kumble. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister? Option B. S. Mahendra Dev. Who has been appointed as Director of the Prime Minister's Museum and Library? Option B. Ashwani Lohani. Who recently resigned as India's G20 Sherpa? Option B. Amitabh Kant. Who has India reappointed as ambassador to North Korea after 4 years? Option B. Alawati Langkumer. Who is the first woman Navy officer to become the President's ADD camp? Option B. Yashasvi Solanki. Who has been appointed as Deputy Chief of Army Staff? Option B. Rajiv Gai. RBI Deputy Governor T. Ravi Shankar has been appointed as a member of which commission? Option A. 16th Finance Commission. Who took charge at the Confederation of Indian Industry? Option B. Rajiv Memani. Who has been appointed as the first Dean of Queen's University, Belfast Gift City Campus? Option B. M. Satish Kumar. Who has been appointed as Chancellor of Chanakya University? Option B. S. Somanath. Who is the Indian origin physician sworn in as American Medical Association President? Option B. Bobby Mokomalla. Who recently took charge as the new Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority? Option B. Shiva Subramania Raman. Who has been appointed as the new RA Chief for a 2-year term? Option B. Parag Jain. Who has been appointed as the new Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank President? Option B. Zhou Jiai. Who has been appointed as the new IRDAI chairman? Option A. Ajay Seth. Who took charge as the new director of Atal Innovation Mission? Option B. Deepak Bagla. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Gift City, Gujarat? Option A. Sanjay Kaul. Who became the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh? Option B. Kavinder Gupta. Who has been appointed as the governor of Goa? Option A. Ashok Gajpati Raju. Who has been appointed as the governor of Haryana? Option A. Asim Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of International Cricket Council? Option A. Sanjuk Gupta. Who is the Indian Navy's first woman trained as a fighter pilot? Option A. Astha Punia. Who took charge as SEBI's new executive director? Option A. Sunil Jayawanta Kadam. Who was re-elected as president of Kho-Kho Federation of India? Option A. Sudhanshu Mittal. Last question. Who has been appointed as executive director of RBI? Option A. Kesavan Ramachandran. Thank you.